Hello grade 10 students. Welcome to another virtual class. I am Miss Madhu Vadke. We are studying chapter 6, Triangles, and we are learning how to apply criteria for similarity of triangles. That is angle angle, side 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 and side angle side. In today's video lesson, we will continue the same and solve some more questions of exercise 6.3. Question number 8. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. We need to draw a figure from the information given in this sentence. So let's break it up into parts. We have a parallelogram ABCD. So let's draw a parallelogram. And mark it as ABCD. E is a point on the side AD produced. So let's produce the side AD. And mark this point as E. And BE intersects CD at F. So we have to join BE, which cuts DC at F. ABCD is a parallelogram, so opposite sides are going to be parallel. So we are given that ABCD is a parallelogram. To prove that is clearly stated, we have to show triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. Triangle ABE and triangle CFB can be shown similar if two corresponding angles in these two triangles can be shown equal. So the two triangles that need to be shown similar are marked with different colors in the figure. We have studied properties of parallelogram in grade 9. Recall that the opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So using this property, we can mark angle A equal to angle C. Let's mark these angles as 1 and 2. Also, opposite sides of a parallelogram are parallel. So AD is parallel to BC. That is, AE is parallel to DC. So taking EB as the transversal, angle E and angle CBF form alternate interior angles. So they are equal. So now we have two angles of green triangle equal to two angles of the red triangle. And we can use a criterion, angle, to say that these two triangles are similar. So let's write down in triangle ABE and triangle CFB. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 as they are opposite angles of a parallelogram. Let's mark the alternate interior angles as 3 and 4. So angle 3 is equal to angle 4 as they are alternate interior angles made by AE parallel to BC with transversal EB. So this implies triangle ABE. The order is already given in the question. You just have to copy it down. triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by angle. Question number 9. In figure, ABC and AMP are two right triangles, right angled at B and M. Prove that these two triangles are similar and show these ratios are equal. Let's mark these two triangles that need to be shown similar using two different colors. Clearly we can see that angle A of these two triangles is a common angle. So this angle is equal in both the triangles, and the second angle that is equal is angle AMP, which is 90 in red triangle, and angle ABC in green triangle, as it is also 90. So start the proof by mentioning the triangle in triangle AMP and triangle ABC. Angle MAP is equal to angle CAB. As these two angles are common, angle AMP is equal to angle ABC, each is 90. So this implies triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP by angle. And now we can write down the ratio. AC upon AP will be equal to BC upon MP. Reason: these are corresponding sides of similar triangles and hence their ratios are going to be equal. Question number 10. CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB and angle EGF such that DNH lie on sides AB and FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG respectively. From this sentence, the figure has to be interpreted correctly. So we start by breaking the sentence into parts. Find something very basic to start with in the question. Notice that we have triangle ABC and triangle EFG. So let's draw these triangles first. Triangle ABC and triangle EFG. Now CD and GH are respectively the bisectors of angle ACB. So CD bisects angle ACB. So angle ACD will be equal to angle DCB. Similarly, GH is an angle bisector of angle EGF. So GH bisects angle FGE. So angle FGH will be equal to angle HGE, such that D and H lie on AB and FE. D lies on AB and H lies on FE of triangle ABC and triangle EFG. Now the figure is complete. What are we given? If triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, then we have to prove these. Let's look at the first part that we have to show. CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. Let's find these ratios in the figure. CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. These two ratios belong to triangle CAD and triangle GFH. I had shown you another way of finding the triangles to which these ratios belong. We have to look at the terms in the numerator. CD and AC belong to triangle ADC. Look at the denominators. GH and FG belong to triangle GFH. So if we prove these two triangles similar, then their corresponding sides will be proportional, showing these two ratios equal. Now notice that we have been asked in the question to prove these triangles similar, which is the third part. Triangle DCA similar to triangle HGF. So if we prove the third part, then the first part will follow and then we can go on to the second part. So we are going to do this question in this order. We will first prove the third part, then show the first part, and then do the second part. We are given that triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So what does that imply? That angle ACB will be equal to angle EGF. So if these two angles are equal, then their halves will also be equal. So let's write down triangle ABC similar to triangle FEG given. So this implies angle ACB is equal to angle FGE. They are corresponding angles of similar triangles. So half of angle ACB will be equal to half of angle FGE. But half of angle ACB is equal to angle ACD, which is equal to angle DCB, as CD bisects angle ACB. Similarly, we can write half angle FGE is equal to angle FGH, which is equal to angle HGE. Reason: GH bisects angle FGE. So now we can say that angle ACD is equal to angle FGH. So we have got angle ACD equal to angle FGH in these two triangles. Also, since triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG, angle A will be equal to angle F. So now we can say these two triangles are similar by angle. Angle ACD equal to angle FGH. We have proved earlier. Angle A is equal to angle F. They are corresponding angles of similar triangles. So this implies triangle ACD is similar to triangle FGH by angle. That proves the third part of the question. If the triangles are similar, we can say that their sides are proportional. So CD upon GH is equal to AC upon FG. They are corresponding sides of similar triangles, and so they are equal. So this proves the first part of the question. Now we have to prove the second part. The second part of the question is also to be done in the same manner. Angle ACB is equal to angle FGE, as triangle ABC is similar to triangle FEG. So we can say that their corresponding angles are equal. So half of angle ACB will be equal to half of angle FGE, but half of angle ACB will be angle DCB, and half of angle FGE will be angle HGE. So these two angles are equal. Also, angle B will be equal to angle E. Why? Because these two triangles are similar and angle B corresponds to angle E. So they are equal. So we can say that triangle DCB is similar to triangle HGE by angle criterion. With this, we come to the end of this video lesson. Your assignment for today is an example question from the textbook. In the figure, AO into OB is equal to OC into OD. We can rearrange what is given as OA upon OC equal to OD upon OB. Then we have to try to figure out the triangles we need to prove similar in order to use this ratio. I hope with this hint you will be able to solve this question. See you in the next class. Until then, goodbye.